Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about Bucket encryption on AWS. This is following our conversations from the previous videos. Security is important, so that we need to encrypt our data in our storage service. So that I'm here on the S3 dashboard. I have one bucket in the California region. So I'm going to click on the bucket name and we need to go to the properties tab. Here you can see a lot of properties for this bucket. I have the bucket versioning, which is enabled at the moment. I have also the tags. Remember, as a best practice, you always need to use tags in your resources in the cloud. And here is the section for default encryption, which at the moment is disabled. We need to enable this option so any new objects stored in this bucket are encrypted. This is for security reasons. This is important. So I'm going to click on edit here and I'm going to enable it. Then I need to select the key type. In my case, I'm going to use the Amazon S3 key, which is a key inside of the bucket instead of the KMS service. So I'm going to save these changes, and now I have this enabled so that when I go and upload a new object on this bucket, it will be automatically encrypted. This is how you can secure your buckets. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.